Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to format blank cells only, and I also want capital A in these blank cells for absent. How can we perform these tasks? Just first select all the cells and press F5 for go to dialog box. Here it will display go to dialog box. Just click special and click blanks here and click OK. It will select all the blank cells in selection area, and I want to format blank cells. Just click here fill format, red color, and I also want capital A in these blank cells for absent. Just type capital A and press Ctrl Enter. It will enter capital A in all the blank cells. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.